Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our guide on how to use PoseiSwap during the Triton Testnet. PoseiSwap is a decentralized exchange that operates on the Nautilus chain and offers users low fees, high liquidity and user-friendly trading interface. To get started, head to the Triton Testnet page on the PoseiSwap website. This page provides detailed instructions on how to connect to the Triton Testnet and start trading. Before you can connect to the Triton Testnet, you will need to have the MetaMask browser extension installed. MetaMask is a popular wallet that allows you to securely store and manage your cryptocurrency. Once you have installed MetaMask, you will need to create a new wallet or import an exciting one. Make sure to write down secret phrase and store it in a safe place, as this will be your only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your computer. With your wallet setup, head back to the Triton Testnet page on the PoseiSwap website. Here you will see a button that says connect to Triton Testnet. Click this button to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Triton Testnet. With your wallet connect to the Triton Testnet, you will ready to start trading on PoseiSwap. The trading interface is user friendly and easy to use, with chart, order books and trade history all available at your fingertips. One of the unique features of PoseiSwap is its liquidity pool. By providing liquidity to the platform, you can earn rewards in POS, the native token of the PoseiSwap ecosystem. To get started, head to the liquidity pool page and follow the introduction to add liquidity. And that is it. Using PoseiSwap during the Triton testnet is a great way to experience the platform, and it is feature without risking real funds. So why not give it a try today? Thanks for watching our guide on how to use PoseiSwap during the Triton testnet. Don't forget to check other the website for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments below. I hope you understood and enjoy this video. Don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.